Hello everyone, my name is Crystalline M. Calvero and I will be sharing my reaction video about Internet of Things. Explaining IoT technology shown in the video. The video likely showcases the Internet of Things, a system of interconnected physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items embedded with electronic software, sensors, actuators, and network connectivity that enables these objects to collect and exchange data. In a smart home context, this could include smart thermostats, lighting system, security cameras, appliances, and entertainment system all communicating with each other and potentially with a central hub or smartphone app. These devices use various communication protocols like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, to transmit data. Data collections allows to automation, remote control, and data analysis to improve efficiency and convenience. And let's proceed to advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: convenience and automation. IoT devices automate tasks, saving time and effort. Imagine at settings your thermostat to automatically adjust temperatures based on your schedule or having your lights. Improve efficiency. Smart appliances can optimize energy consumption, leading to cost saving and a smaller environmental footprint. Enhanced security. Smart security system offer remote monitoring and alerts, improving home security, remote monitoring and control, and monitor your home other devices from anywhere with a internet connection. And let's proceed to disadvantage. Disadvantage: security risk. IoT devices are vulnerable to hacking and data breaches. A compromised device could allow unauthorized access to your networks and personal data. Privacy concern. The constant collection of data raises privacy concern. Data could be missed or sold to third parties without your knowledge or consent. Complexity and cost. Setting up and maintaining an IoT system can be complex and expensive. This initial investment in device and the ongoing cost of maintenance and updates can be significant. And my personal insight: yes, I would use IoT in my daily life, but selectively. The convenience and efficiency gains are appealing, especially for tasks like controlling lighting and temperature. However, I will prioritize security and privacy. I will carefully research devices and choose those with strong security features and transparent data handling policies. I'd also avoid connecting to many devices to minimize the attacks, surface, and potential vulnerabilities. I believe a balanced approach is key. Leveraging the benefits of IoT while mitigating the risk. Conclusion: IoT technology connects everyday devices, enabling automation, remote control, and data analysis. While offering convenience and efficiency, it also presents security and privacy risks. Careful consideration of these risks is essential. And lastly, my final opinion: IoT the potential to significantly improve our lives, but the responsible development and deployment are crucial. Addressing security and privacy concern is paramount to ensure that IoT benefits society is a whole without compromising individuals' right and safety. It's not inherently good or bad, but rather a tool where impact depends on how we choose to use it. And that's all my reaction video. Thank you.